Okay, today we're going to learn about IUPAC naming. Okay, so first example I'm going to show you is how to look at a name and draw it. And then second thing we'll do is look at a drawing and name it. So first thing we're going to do is we're always going to start reading at the end octane, meaning we want 8 carbons. How do you learn these? You kind of have to memorize them. So it goes meth, eth, prop for 3, and then it's bute for 4, and then for pent 5, hex for 6, hep for 7, and then oct for 8, and then non for 9, and dec for 10. And then you add the ane because these are alkanes. What does that mean? That means there's no double bonds. They're all just straight lines, single lines, essentially. And there's no ring, so you don't put cyclo in front of it. So octane, meaning you need to have 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Try the 8th. There we go. The next part we're going to look at is this right here, 2 and 5. So at position 2 or at position 5, we need to have a methyl group. Meth meaning a CH3 group. Okay. And di meaning there's going to be 2 of these. Now, there's technically 2 ways to do this. We could start by numbering this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we could start 2, and we could draw the methyl group right here, and then 3, 4, 5, and right there. That's one way of drawing the dimethyl octane. The other way of drawing it would be, which may 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. The other way of drawing it would be 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, or 3, 4, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then drawing one right here. So these are both the exact same thing, both of them work, so you can do it either way. Point being, you got an octane, you have di, which means you have 2 methyl groups, and you have them on the 2nd position and the 5th position. Whether you start from the left or the right is up to you. Okay, next, looking at something and naming it. I just made this up, kind of drew it in myself. The first thing you're going to look for is the longest carbon chain. So we're going to literally work the same way we did here. Remember how we said octane, and so we had to draw 8 carbons. So on this part, we're going to look for what is our longest carbon chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we could do that as well. Or we could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's definitely not the one we want right there. So we either want it to go like that, or we either want it to go like that in order to do this. The next step, which you're going to look at, is where the substituent number is going to be the lowest. So if we start from over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's where that one will be. If we start from over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, I like that a little bit better. And then the other one we said it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this one, starting from here up, it works at 5, and then also starting from over here would work as well. So either way it works, and either way you're going to get the same answer, so it's not like it really matters. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Essentially the point being is, since you've got a 9 as your longest chain, your ending is going to be non-ane. Okay. Because that's your longest carbon chain, is 9 long. Or sorry, 10 long actually. My fault. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, yeah. So actually it would be decane. I did not look at these before time, so that just shows you I'm more authentic than most of the people out here who are going through their videos. Anyway, so point being, 0.5 is what we're going to look at, is where our substituent's on. So 5 dash, and what type of group is coming off of this 5? Well, if we start from going down like this, and we count this as our main chain, well then we'd see that we have, connected to this 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this would mean that it's a butyl group. But what if we went this way? Well then, at 5 we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4. See what I mean? It makes no difference whether you start from here or from there. So, point being, you're going to get the same thing. It's going to be 5 dash butyl decane. So just like that, that's how you name it, and that's how you read the name and make it.